Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, well, yesterday we had a bad trade, but it's not every day. You can't win every trade. That's not how trading works. So yesterday we took some losses, but it was managed. It was like we hit our stop loss. Proper risk management was handled, and obviously if we didn't get stopped out, then we'd be in an even bigger loss today. So I thought, in my opinion, that we were going to break down yesterday after testing this support so much. It was getting weaker and weaker. And yep, we ended up just pumping up like crazy in our Ethereum trade. You can see an even bigger pump right here. And yeah, I drew this downwards trend line and we just tested it and then we bounced off of it and now we're back into the triangle. I'm actually really surprised that we ended up going up so much so quickly. And yeah, so we are reaching the end of the ascending triangle, and I added this Ichimoku cloud to really give you an idea of where if we're in support or if there's resistance. And right now on the 4-hour, we're now in some support with Ethereum. In Bitcoin, it's pretty undecided at the moment. You can't really tell if we're in support or resistance. We're definitely fighting it. When we look on the daily, though, this is where the major resistance is. So you can see during this entire run up, we had major support and we bounced off the support every time off the bottom of the clouds. Support, and then once we broke it, we retested it as resistance. We tried to break above it and hold it, but we failed and ended up breaking down. And now we can really see how much resistance there is. So we have all of this right here as resistance. We have around 46,000 from 38,000. And I honestly still think that we really could just end up going up here to 38,000, somewhat like this. Maybe test it, maybe even break out, test 40K, and then just reverse back down, and then breaking all the way back down to the $12,000 levels. Because everyone's just like betting on either. I mean, there's only two ways it could go now. It could only go up to 50,000, or it could go down to 20,000. And we can see that the RSI is bottoming out, but the weekly is still in the middle. On the weekly time frame, obviously there's still some support, but we did fall below it. Let's see if we can get back into it. But it's important to look at the daily as well because there's so much resistance up here. So I'm just going to wait right now and play it safe and just analyze the market, see where it takes us. I'm also looking at the SP 500, right? We still have that red dot. And when we look at the technical analysis one that I drew here, we can see, let me just remove the Ichimoku cloud as well. We can see that we could potentially be forming a double top right here and then drop back down, because we are in this massive rising wedge right now for the SP 500. And I've outlined some supports. I guess I didn't save, but I had drawn some support lines right here. I guess the support boxes were moved. But yeah, I think we could be potentially be doing something like this if the market does start to correct and break out of this wedge. I really think that the market is due for a correction right now. And yeah, I have outlined that I have a short position at 42.10, and now we're at 42.27, so I am in the loss. The market is open right now, and it doesn't seem to be moving much, but historically, low volumes on the market have indicated that it is a top, and right now volume on the SP 500 is at an all-time low. So correction in the stock market would bring Bitcoin definitely crashing down with it, because as much as we want to say like, oh, Bitcoin is its own thing and it's uncorrelated, we can see back in March when the market crashed. We'll go back here. In March, when the market crashed, we could see that Bitcoin had a retracement of like 60%, 62%, all the way down to 3,000. So, I really hope that happens. Like, if we do correct, perfect. We could short it and then close our short and then buy some more around the $12,000 area, and that would be amazing. Also to that, Daniel's chart from yesterday's video, I'm not going to put in this video. You guys can go look at it in the next video, but he outlined that we have about 1 day left on this chart. So June 8th is when the breakout could happen, and we could potentially be going down. That is the target technically. The $12,000 by June 16 is the target. But we'll see if we can reach it. Right now we've been testing support a lot. I mean, it's just getting weaker and weaker. The more we test it, it's holding. But if it keeps doing this and this and this and this and this and this, that's really bad. I mean, it's just testing support. Eventually, the buyers are going to run out of steam, and then the sellers will take over. And we can see, like on Bitfinex, there's massive sell orders getting ready. So I don't want to bet too much on just a huge V-shaped recovery going to the moon. I know today Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, purchased $400 million more Bitcoin, and yet the price is not mooning anytime yet. And honestly, it only takes Elon Musk to say one thing, and then the price could come crashing down anyway. So we are already in a downtrend. So just be careful if you're placing longs, betting it to go to 50,000. I'm not saying it's not going to happen, but I would be very careful. Anyways, I also want to talk about Ethereum, because I did not get a chance yesterday to talk about Ethereum. And right here we can see that Ethereum is also in a rising wedge right here. Not a rising wedge, sorry, what am I saying? Ascending triangle. But we can see that it's also going up right now, and the neckline would, not the neckline, but the breakout point would be around 2,900. If we do break that, then yes, the target for Ethereum from breaking this pattern would be extremely high. I think it would be up to the $4,000 level. Am I wrong? The $4,100 level, or just, I'm sorry, I'm a little off right here, but yeah, the $4,000 level is where we would go. The breakdown, however, if we do break down, it would be the $1,500 level. So very low indeed. So just be mindful of that. We don't want to go too crazy on our positions right now. Obviously, it could go both ways right now. It could just do something crazy, liquidate everyone, and then go to the price. It could do something like this, hit all the shorts, stop them all out, and then reverse back down after faking out all the longs, stop them out, and then go down like this. So then no one makes money, and there's max pain for everyone. Except for the whales. They would make money after manipulation, stuff like that. So I'm definitely looking at the stock market, and I am looking at the crypto markets. Right, it's good to keep an eye on both. Right. All right. Anyways, I gotta head to work now, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update, and yeah, you have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.